got it for?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to say this letter to Nicole. Get it out of my face. You can see my fat lines.
I'll do it up here.
No.
Show the alcohol.
No. Okay. Seriously, this letter's coming from my heart.
Vic.
Hey, picking my vase.
No. Me. Get it out of my face. That I hope Ashley shows you this letter. Can you stop? See, now you just really messed it up.
Say what you have to say.
That I love you, and I'm really sad you went back up to New Hampshire because the summer would have been so much fun, and you know, I miss you. Get it out of my face. You would have had fun, you know? Like, I don't know. It's coming from the truth because it's true. Can you stop?
What am I doing?
Seriously, why are you getting my fat and stuff?
Okay, say your name and your age. Why are you looking at my messages on my phone?
Look at Monica.
Yes. R&B, how about back in the day, joint
Hello?
down sexy in the city.
Hi.
For free. 1-800-585.
You're back to me.
Okay, now do me.
It's going down. Welcome to the show. The phones are ringing. I love
Upside down, asshole. Wow, you're a dick.
I hope everybody's
Hi,
having a
Ashley.
wonderful day.
Ashton Butcher.
We loved her.
Today, Yvonne tonight, is Yvonne.
And what's your name?
And my name is Lagudi, Stephanie Lagudi, and I miss my cousin Nicole.
And I love my boyfriend Dorbin.
Okay, Bobby.
Yeah, she's wife number 2.
All good.
Fuck bitches get money. Who's like
Bitches get money.
Shut up.
Hey.
Who's wifey number 1 to Dortmund, so?
Danielle.
This is going on my MySpace, so.
No.
To hear what you have to say and put you on the radio.
He's a really good orange juice. No, Ashley.
Drink yourself intrigued, baby.
Okay? You don't have to turn on Bravo.
Okay, say bye.
They want you.
Bye, I love you.
And this one is
I think it shouldn't be fuck bitches. I think it should be
Okay.
fuck niggas get money.
How about fuck
Can I
bitches?
tell Nicole I
Call me up. The good, the bad, and the
love
ugly. And then we're
you
gonna get
and
into
miss you, and I wish you were down
Of course,
here.
It's all about that sexual fact right now. Try to say, are you ready?